To infinity and beyond. What's going on, you guys? Happy Monday, and welcome back to the Orlando Science Center. I'm Marquise, Meda, joined by Zach once again. We are in the flight lab, getting ready to take off into Aerospace Month, correct?
Yes, exactly. This is tucked into our Dino-Digs exhibit, so it might not fully fit the theme of the dinosaurs, but it is perfect for Aerospace Month. Today we're going to be learning about an activity called space flight. This is an activity we run in here almost every day, all month long. It's giving the control of the spaceship into the hands of the guests here in the room. You can see a few examples on the screens behind us of different places you're able to go: Earth, the moon, the sun, but as you can imagine, most guests' very favorite is black holes. This is Sagittarius A. This is the supermassive black hole in the center of our galaxy that everything rotates around. So the moon rotates around us, we rotate around the sun rotates around Sagittarius A.
So in a few billion years, we'll get sucked into this bad boy, right?
Probably not. We are, just like how we aren't going to get sucked into the sun, we are flying away from the sun and the sun is pulling us in. So
Gotcha.
there's centrifugal force and centripetal force pulling us in and out, back and forth, and that's what creates our rotation. But this is a very classic black hole. You can see the light warping around it in this area of darkness, the event horizon. That is, of course, that part where even light can't escape. Now, this supermassive black hole does not have an accretion disk, but I can go ahead and show you a different one that has a huge accretion disk. This is Ton 618. This is a different galaxy, very far away. And this is the supermassive black hole in the center of its galaxy.
That was really cool, the trip that we took there.
It's so easy. All you have to do is hit a button, type in the name of it, and then you zoom right across. You can also free fly, so you can use your arrow keys and just fly around the galaxy and around the universe. But here at Ton, you can see this huge accretion disk. I can actually speed up time, and you can see it becomes a very violent, hectic place.
So how fast are we moving right now?
Right now we're at here. I'm at 10,000 times the speed. You can see it's barely moving. If I go, you can see our time scale up here, our crazy fast number. You can see it's inching across. So this is, I mean, probably 1 billion miles across, if not more, this massive accretion disk with all of this dust and gas and plasma. It is creating so much friction. It is giving off heat. It is kind of giving fusion off like a star. But you can see inside of that dusty cloud is that black hole, that point where light cannot escape. You can even see the gravity warping around it as well.
That's pretty cool. Could we zoom in a little bit?
Yeah, exactly. We can. So
let's take us right into the center of the black hole.
Let's see. We're through our dust cloud, through the dust, and we're passing through the other side. I don't know if we're going to be able to see this event horizon just because it is all a simulation. You can see right there, we're essentially in that friction point and then passing right through. And I can turn it back around and see we're on the other side. Well, I don't know where we are. There we go.
Lost in space for a quick second.
Exactly, lost in space, but that's all of our guests' ability. They're able to fly around, rotate around objects, enhance time, speed it up, slow it down, how quickly they're able to move. All of that is in the control of the guest. So it's a great, safe way to be able to explore space.
Awesome. So from planets all the way to stars and black holes, there's so much to explore here in the Orlando Science Center. And I can't wait to see you guys all throughout Aerospace Month here throughout the month of June.